Deputies arrived at this home after receiving alarming reports of child abuse involving multiple kids.
Go inside.
Can I help you? Stay right here.
I'm gonna see if she'll go inside.
Can I help y'all?
Hi, so I'm here because I got called about an incident that happened today. What's going on?
Nothing.
Nothing at all?
No.
Nothing at all. You're not throwing anything at anybody?
4-6 somebody.
To my lawyer.
4-6.
Okay. You want me to
Make
talk to
4
your
instead of
lawyer?
primary. Open me up a 15T. Hub is 1015. 51 to jail.
You. No?
No.
That's fine. That's fine.
Why are you, am I being detained?
Yes. Yes, you are. Okay. So, I'm trying to give you the opportunity to tell me your side of things based on what I've seen. So I'm trying to give you that opportunity to give your side of the story.
Are you with the Panama City or?
I'm with the Bay County Sheriff's Office.
You're with the Sheriff's Office?
Absolutely am.
Just let me tell you that.
Rated 520 and 529 status.
10-4.
10-4.
So, Mike, I'm gonna need you to come with me. Come here. I'm not gonna tell you again. Mike, come here.
490 Brampton 97.
Why would you?
I've told you twice. Come here.
You're not gonna aggressively take me off of my property. I promise you that. I promise you that.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
No.
Let's
I
go.
promise you that.
Let's go.
Don't do it, dude. Hey,
You don't do it. Let's go.
She's giving you lawful command.
Let's go.
Am I being arrested?
31 to 463.
Come here.
Have I been arrested or detained?
Have it. Well, if you can listen to us and.
Yeah, we're 10-4. I'll call you in a
Have I
second.
been detained? No.
Stop it.
10-4. No hurry. They have been route to 65.
Mike.
Bub, man, Bub.
27.
Huh?
29.
Am I being detained?
Hey, money back.
You said 4 to me. Make it 54. That's all I'll call it.
Yeah.
That's 10-4.
And you put them so tight. What a.
All right. Come on. We're gonna go this way.
Loosen them up. Damn it. No.
463 back.
You're going nowhere, and I'll.
463.
You're gonna want to come on.
If you could go ahead and call him to jail, probably gonna end up being combative. 463. Just a minute.
Sandals. I'm telling you.
520 Bay County 15, and he's resisting.
I want my damn. I want my sandals. Why?
1033 on main.
I'm big.
You can clear.
Damn, you little prick. You're a little prick.
1066 on main. Main clear 2156.
You're a prick. You're a prick. Oh, yeah, prick. Pants about to fall down. I'm telling you, Waylon is gonna have a fun trip with y'all. I'm telling you. Ooh, you get Tommy on the phone right now. I swear to God.
466.
You get all of them some bitches. Get them all on there. Get them all
51
on
white
there.
male to
I
Bay County
swear
Jail.
to fucking God. I'm about to run this rapid. Woo! Yeah, y'all want to have fun? Loosen this damn right now.
484.
No, loosen not right now.
28 from
Here's what you're going to do.
You're gonna shut the hell up.
Go.
And you're gonna loosen it up. You're gonna loosen it up.
I don't care.
Loosen it up.
Let's go.
73 back.
Damn it. This.
Signal 53, 5300, runway 98, no need for checks.
Don't put me in her. Don't put me in her. Don't put me in her. Don't put me in her.
494B97.
Nice.
Please. I want. No, no. Well, you can have it or not. It don't matter. I'll be out in 10, 20 minutes. I want to be loosened the up. And I want double cuffs. Damn it. Right now.
You don't always get what you want whenever you're
shut
resisting.
the up.
Okay.
How about that?
That's it.
How about that? How about just learn to shut the up?
No, we're not doing that. Come on.
Room number.
Get in the car.
You're a fucking is what you are.
Have a seat.
Careful, the caller advised 14W.
Yeah, such a.
Yeah, right with the lock.
So she's got the 6-year-old has bite marks on her legs. There's video of him throwing cans at the other child, and the 6-year-old said it was Daddy who did it. And of course, you know, he gave him an opportunity to like, hey, come talk to me or whatever, and he wants to sit there and not comply with lawful order. So therefore, that's fine.